10th Standard Social Science Solved Model Paper 1. This video consists of 40 MCQ questions. 4 choices are given for each incomplete statements or questions. Choose the correct answer and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. The merchants who monopolized trade among European nations are A. Italian merchants, B. Arab merchants, C. French merchants, D. Indian merchants. Correct answer is A. Italian merchants. The first Anglo-Maratha War ended with A. Treaty of Madras, B. Treaty of Salbai, C. Treaty of Mangalore, D. Treaty of Lahore. Correct answer is B. Treaty of Salbai. The post of Superintendent of Police was created by A. Lord Cornwallis, B. Lord Wellesley, C. Lord Dalhousie, D. Robert Clive. A. Lord Cornwallis. Rani Channamma was a queen of A. Halagali, B. Kittur, C. Surapur, D. Koppala. Answer is B. Kittur. Rajaram Mohan Rai started periodical named A. Gulamagiri, B. Kesari, C. Mookanayaka, D. Samvada Kaumudi. Correct answer is D. Samvada Kaumudi. The revolt of 1857 was first began at A. Lucknow, B. Barakpur, C. Jhansi, D. Meerut. Correct answer is B. Barakpur. The Indian National Congress was founded in the year A. 1857, B. 1905, C. 1885, D. 1858. Correct answer is C. 1885. The radical leader of Indian freedom struggle, Tilak, declared A. Give me blood, I will give you freedom. B. Go back to Vedas. C. Development of village is the true development of India. D. Swaraj is my birthright. Answer is D. Swaraj is my birthright. First Roundtable Conference was held in A. 1930, B. 1931, C. 1932, D. 1942. Correct answer is A. 1930. Mahad and Kalaram movement was formed by A. Gandhiji, B. B.R. Ambedkar, C. Gopalakrishna Gokhale, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer is B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The British government's last Governor General was A. Rajagopalachari, B. Stafford Cripps, C. Mountbatten, D. Lord Canning. Correct answer is C. Mountbatten. The committee created in Karnataka to address the regional imbalances. A. Nanjundappa Committee, B. Lokayukta, C. Lokpal, D. Coffee Posa. Correct answer is A. Nanjundappa Committee. Panchashila principles were signed between A. Jawaharlal Nehru and Ayub Khan, B. Jawaharlal Nehru and Chou En-lai, C. Jawaharlal Nehru and Muzubir Rahman, D. Jawaharlal Nehru and Churchill. Correct answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru and Chou En-lai. The two biggest democratic countries of the world are A. India and Russia, B. India and China, C. India and Australia, D. India and USA. Correct answer is D. India and USA. Every year Human Rights Day is celebrated on A. 15th March, B. 15th August, C. 15th June, D. 10th December. Correct answer is D. 10th December. The UNO was founded in the year A. 1919, B. 1939, C. 1945, D. 1948. Correct answer is C. 1945. The head office of the UNO is in this city: A. Washington, B. Geneva, C. Rome, D. New York. Correct answer is D. New York. The practice of untouchability is prohibited by A. Article 15, B. Article 16, C. Article 17, D. Article 38. Correct answer is C. Article 17. 19. One of the feature of unorganized sector is A. Labor, B. Migration, C. Wages, D. Without pay labor. Correct answer is B. Migration. Narmada Bachao movement is led by A. Sundarlal Bahuguna, B. Kusuma Swarab, C. Shivram Karant, D. Medha Patkar. Correct answer is D. Medha Patkar. The law prohibiting female feticide was implemented in the year A. 1994, B. 2006, C. 2011, D. 2015. Correct answer is A. 1994. The India's highest peak is A. Mount Everest, B. Mount Guru Shikhar, C. Mount K2, D. Mount Maklu. Correct answer is Mount K2. The lowest temperature in India is recorded at A. Roili, B. Ganganagar, C. Dras, D. Mawsynram. Correct answer is C. Dras. The soil that are formed from the sediments of deposited by the rivers is called A. Alluvial soil, B. Black soil, C. Mountain soil, D. Desert soil. Correct answer is A. Alluvial soil. Monsoon forests are also known as A. Tropical evergreen forests, B. Tropical deciduous forest, C. Desert vegetation, D. Mangrove forest. Correct answer is B. Tropical deciduous forests. The longest river of South India is A. River Ganga, B. River Krishna, C. River Kaveri, D. River Godavari. Correct answer is D. River Godavari. The Kosi project is a joint venture of A. India and Nepal, B. India and China, C. India and Pakistan, D. India and Bangladesh. Correct answer is A. India and Nepal. A system of farming involving both crops and livestock is known as A. Sedimentary farming, B. Intensive farming, C. Commercial farming, D. Mixed farming. Correct answer is D. Mixed farming. The largest rice producing state in India is A. Karnataka, B. West Bengal, C. Punjab, D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is B. West Bengal. The new mode of land transport best suitable for transporting crude oil and gas is A. Road transport, B. Railways, C. Air transport, D. Pipeline transport. Correct answer is D. Pipeline transport. The Queen of the Arabian Sea is A. Mumbai, B. Chennai, C. Kochi, D. Visakhapatnam. Correct answer is C. Kochi. Bauxite is the main raw material for A. Iron and steel industry, B. Aluminium industry, C. Paper industry, D. Sugar industry. Correct answer is B. Aluminium industry. The city which is called Silicon Valley of India is A. Mysore, B. Hubballi, C. Udupi, D. Bengaluru. Correct answer is Bangalore. The inundation of land by river water is called A. Floods, B. Cyclones, C. Landslide, D. Earthquake. Correct answer is A. Floods. The states which were worst affected to tropical cyclones are A. Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha, B. Karnataka, Goa and Odisha, C. Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Gujarat, D. Tamil Nadu, Odisha and Kerala. Correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. The value of goods and service produced in a year is called as A. Real income, B. National income, C. Per capita income, D. Human Development Index. Correct answer is B. National income. The true development of India is the true development of its villages. It was said by A. Rajiv Gandhi, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Jyotiba Phule, D. B. R. Ambedkar. Correct answer is B. Mahatma Gandhi. The national savings certificates are issued by A. State Bank of India, B. Post Offices, C. Commercial banks, C. Cooperative banks. Correct answer is Post Office. An account is opened by businessmen is A. Savings bank account, B. Current account, C. Recurring deposit account, D. Term or fixed deposit account. Correct answer is B. Current account. The Consumer Day is observed every year on A. June 5th, B. October 24th, C. December 10th, D. March 10th. Correct answer is D. March 15th.